To learn programming, please subscribe our channel, Learn Coding with Jyoti. Hello friends, in today's video we will see Java introduction. So let's start. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It is a high-level, robust and secure language. Java language provides many features. Those features we will discuss in upcoming video. Java language was developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems in 1995. When Java introduced, its name was Oak, but Oak was already registered company, so team changed its name from Oak to Java. Let's see few Java language application example. We use Java to develop mobile application. Also we use Java to develop web application. The example of web application is irctc.co.in. Third is a desktop application. And the examples are antivirus, media player. So we use Java to develop these kinds of desktop application. Fourth is a enterprise application. Enterprise applications are bank application. So we use Java to develop this kind of application. Also we use Java to develop gaming application. Let's see Java platforms type. Here you may have a question, what is a platform? Platform is any hardware or software environment in which a program runs. We have four types of Java platform. First is a Java SE, second is a Java EE, third is a Java ME, and fourth is a Java FX. Let's discuss these all edition in short. First is a Java SE. It is also called as Java Standard Edition. It is a Java programming platform. It includes Java programming APIs such as java.lang, java.util, java.io, etc. Second is a Java EE. It is also known as Java Enterprise Edition. It is an enterprise platform that is mainly used to develop web and enterprise application. Third is a Java ME. It is also known as Java Micro Edition. It is a micro platform that is used to develop mobile application. The fourth Java platform type is Java FX. It is used to develop rich internet applications. It uses lightweight user interface API. So this is the short introduction about Java. If you like the video, then please like and share video. And if you new on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.